Hello, respected, highly honorable, with right honor and respect to the people of nation and the people of the world. Today is very serious subject, and subject is this, that one riddle I am telling you. Riddle is this: first I united to provide food, energy, education. Then I was insulted and washed away to the drains. Considering my color is black, I making them dirty. When I change my color and became white, but no, they are catching me. People is catching me, but I am not in reach of each person. What am I? I am again repeating. When I was black, people washed out me to the drains and saying me dirty. They were feeling insult if I was touched in their body or clothes. First, I united, tried to give more and more energy, education, food, but they not cared me. They washed me out to the drains, and when in angry I converted myself black to white color. Now I am not in reach of every person, but persons are trying to catch me, and I am so precious that I am not in each person's reach. What am I? Only 5 seconds with you. Answer, please. Yes, some are saying coal. Coal in black converts to the diamond. But more accurate answer is carbon. Since I have used the word, I united first to provide the energy to the people. But people, if I am came in contact of the body of the people, clothes of the people, people thinking me as a black, dirty, and they washed of me. Practically, I am going to tell you a story of the coal that is related with the Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan story is same as coal to diamond. Practically what happens? Carbon is an atom. By the combination of the carbon, coal is prepared. Coal on heating converts into coke that is used as a cooking for the home and in industry, furnaces, and on heating coal you will find coke plus gas, and in coal mine also you are getting gas, that is the CNG gas, due to by which our cars are running, and that is also heat and energy we are getting from this. So they are helping in this way. All the industries are running by the electricity. In thermal power plant, carbon is used, coal is used, coke. But people are not respecting. Nowadays we are using in cooking gas, but first it was coal used, coke was used. People were not respecting. And then it combined, converted into graphite. In our pencils, in writing, this is our pencil. It is used in writing, drawing. Inside pencil there is a black color graphite. And in the world there is no person who is educated and not use pencil. The person may be doctor, engineer, scientist or any officer. Without pencil, education is not completed. And in old days, our blackboard was painted with the black. Black means carbon only, coal paste. And further, graphite converts into, means these are layer of the earth. First coal, carbon in the surface, and carbon by combination converts into coal, and in more deep there is further coal converts into graphite, and even more deep pressure increases as these are layers of the earth. Graphite will find. Further graphite due to even more deep, due to high temperature and high pressure, these are layer of the earth. So this converts into a sphatic stone. It is precious stone and people use it as a precious stone, and some people by the sphatic stone they are preparing garlands, their beads are prepared and they are wearing as a garlands. And at even more deep, at very over here, this is the surface of the earth. So over here there is a very high temperature, very high pressure. In a very long time, diamond, this sphatic stone converts into diamond, means carbon converts into coal, and coal to graphite, graphite to sphatic, and sphatic to diamond. Whether carbon or coal was people were not respecting much. Whether there is use, they are using it and throwing it. No respect. In clothes it is, in body it is, touch, they washed out. But gradually value is increasing, form is changing, and black color coal converts into white color diamond. It is very precious and it is not in the reach of the general public. Only very rich person can purchase this. It is so costly and so precious. There were even rich countries are behind this. The biggest diamond in the world is Kohinoor diamond. It was in India. So King of India gave this diamond to the England Queen Victoria. It was with this was with Victoria Kohinoor diamond. So countries are behind this. What a general public, this is not in approach of the general public. So please, whether you will insult, this happen. And nowadays, same kahani is with the Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is the oxygen. He is the oxygen of the nation and the world. He gave huge energy, huge power, huge education, a great life, a great wealth to the people of the world that cannot be purchased by the money that is provided by the Amitabh Bachchan. Whether Amitabh Bachchan was a student, I compared it. Whether Amitabh Bachchan was a student, after education he was searching service, employment. He was like a carbon, independent, single. Carbon is the element and combination of the element is coal. And by the compression further and further with temperature and pressure converts into dynamite. So he was having no respect, no honor by the nation, and searching the services people were throwing him. Some were saying very long, some were saying sound is not good, like this. He was not selected and he was unemployed. Later on, he came in the film industry. That is, he combined its intellectual knowledge, own efforts, own labor, he combined like carbon combined and became coal. He combined its universal, spiritual, all energy and converted like carbon to coal. He converted student, general public to the film star by the efforts, and give much and much energy, amusement, happiness, a smile to the people. Like coal is giving energy to the world. By coal, our thermal power plant, our houses, our industries are running, getting energy, and by the gas getting energy, same happens, but less respect. Later on, what happens? Even more energy that is uncountable. He became coal to graphite. That is KBC master. KBC master. In KBC, question master, question raiser master. In KBC. So in KBC, there are so many persons, whole Indian efforting to be a candidate of KBC. They were studying. Means whole country is educated by the question of the KBC. People are seeing the program, getting the knowledge, and efforting to be more and more aware. So like graphite, without, as graphite is a pencil, Amitabh Bachchan is a graphite. In this stage, he is in along with public, but very less person of public which are interested, which have money to see the film, go to movie, see movie, they are only. But now, in each family of the India there is a television, and each person of the India, or not only India, world, most of person of the world, not each person of the world, but most of us, because it is in Hindi. So the person of the world who is knowing the Hindi, he is watching KBC and being educated. Amitabh Bachchan is graphite. Means he is giving knowledge, giving smile, giving peace that cannot be purchased in the market. He is giving, he is right. And he is the age of 78 years. In this age also, for the welfare of the public, he is doing hard labor. There are some people are saying that he is working for their own money. No, what he is getting? Crore, not more than this. Crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore at this. but what the knowledge he is giving to the nation. I can give you double money, the salary of the remuneration Amitabh Bachchan is getting. You can get double even then what the Amitabh Bachchan is delivering to the nation and the world. You cannot. So we cannot say he is getting money. No, money is secondary. Whatever he is providing to the nation, that is the very, very, very great. So this is Amitabh Bachchan. But nowadays, there are some persons, and these are our Indians. So the people of India who are criticizing to Amitabh Bachchan, I respect you. I love and respect you. It is not good. He is the oxygen of the nation. Whatever he provided to the nation and the world, this is not in power of every person. He may be diamond. Whatever he is speaking, he always spoke in favor of the people of the world, in welfare of the people of the world, in peace of the people of the world, always. He, by their activity, there are so many persons survived their life. They cured their depression, and so many people, by seeing the movie picture, become happy, feel peace that cannot be purchased in the market. And at this age of 78 years, he is he is providing education to the world. The people who know Hindi watching KBC. Still, if I am saying anything against Amitabh Bachchan, if Amitabh Bachchan is saying any word and that is not suitable for you, this implies you are not in position, in a standard, to understand the meaning of the words is spoken or given by the Amitabh Bachchan. We did not do research on the words of the Amitabh Bachchan. There was a caller tune in mobile. By the caller tune, we were hearing the sound of the Amitabh Bachchan. Our body were being glorious and was feeling very peace. This sound of Amitabh Bachchan, that is remote. Very, very unhappy. I am very, very unhappy. Why caller tune of Amitabh Bachchan, the voice we were listening, had been removed. It is not good. It's very bad for us. So, please, the person who is like coal and graphite, don't let me be diamond. If Amitabh Bachchan will become diamond, he will be in reach of very, very, very important persons, in reach of very few number of peoples. He is like graphite. He is in reach of world. And if he is top speaking and he become diamond, so he will be not in reach of general public. Then public will move behind him to find him, and he had been diamond. Only very special persons, only rich persons, only VVIP person can be in contact of him, and general public will be not in contact of him. So please, if he is devoting at the 78 years age, he is doing labor for the nation. He has much money. He can enjoy at home without doing work, but he is still doing work, and their knowledge, their talent is providing to the nation and world, and still we are criticizing. Very, very shameful. He is 78 years. In 78 years, whatever he is doing on KBC, no one can do. They acquired a number of awards, and his daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai also have gained as a Vishwa Sundari. So please respect Amitabh Bachchan, and I request to the Amitabh Bachchan and family, please forgive the people of the nation and world who are blaming you, criticizing you, and please be a cool and graphite. Give energy and give knowledge to the world. If my words are hurting to anyone, please forgive me. I apologize. I salute. Our country's MP Jaya Bachchan, and she was also a great actress in her life and age. Amitabh Bachchan, the great actress. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, who is very gentle boy, or you can say man, and always Abhishek Bachchan's work for nation was very great. He also did great efforts in film industry. I respect, salute our nation's oxygen, our world oxygen, Bachchan family. I salute you. I wish you happy, prosperous and healthy life. Okay, best of